Sweet, sweet energy. I need to feel by your body one more time. Yeah, yeah. The sweetest I've ever seen.
Cookie can't make me the goat. Cookie can't come with the throat. Puff, puff, pass. No, you do not want the smoke. Bitches be sleeping on me, but be claiming they woke.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be recreating a Valentine's Day look that I saw an Instagram model do, or influencer. Her name is Princess Reese. I'll put her Instagram here. And yeah, I'm trying to go, like, I'm not really into like eyeshadow, but I feel like I want to be, so why not practice? Obviously if this fails, it flops, I'm still gonna upload it regardless, but I'm most probably call it something like Valentine's Day look fail, but you know the vibes. But yeah, I'm gonna go straight into it. I've done my eyebrows already because I just thought it was easier to do off camera since I'm doing an eyeshadow look. So this video is gonna be quick and easy. Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so let's get started. Basically I ordered some liners from Amazon, some neon liners and some eyeshadow brushes. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, so these are the eye brushes that I got from Amazon. I'll put it in the description box. And these are the matte liquid eyeliner set, and it has like these bright neon colors. So I'm gonna put everything in the description box so you guys can get it. Yes, I'm gonna open it. Basically she used a gel black liner for her lids. Well, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, because she did eventually use that afterwards. So hopefully that doesn't affect the look, but well. So the two colors that I'm gonna use in the packet are the bright pink and the white. So this is for the, you know what I'm talking about. I already got a picture up there. Then I've got the eyeshadow brush, and then I've got this curved brush. I feel like I'm gonna I'm gonna dip this brush in there. I feel like it'll be easier because I'm not really good with eyeliner. That's why I'm trying to avoid this look. But let me just step out of my comfort zone and try it. So I'm gonna use the black color here. I also have another black color. I might get that out as well of eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna use the bright pink for the neon effect that she did after. So yeah, and this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is actually my favorite palette, even though I don't use all the colors. I used orange quite a lot in the beginning, but yeah, I'm gonna start doing more eyeshadow looks because why not? We're in lockdown. Even though I'm not going anywhere, makeup is fun. So this is the other palette that I'm gonna get the black shadow from if I feel like it's not dark enough. I feel like this is darker than this black is darker than the Take Me Back to the Brazil palette. And this is the Revolution Makeup Pro HD Amplified 35 palette. I got this as a birthday present, I think, a long time ago. So yeah, I'm just going to be using those two palettes and these three things. So let's get started with the black base eyeshadow. So guys, I forgot to say I'm going to conceal my eyelids. So yeah, I'm just going in with the concealer. I felt like this wasn't necessary, but at the same time it is, because I know that concealer makes the eyeshadow pop. So yeah, and I'm just dabbing that with my flat brush that I got from Poundland. Just dabbing that in. I think she put eyeshadow. I think she put concealer on her base. For eyelid, I think you always have to anyways. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more. Where is it? The Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in 50. I normally don't use it in this shade, but the color that I do use, I think they sold out. So yeah. Yep, I think that's enough for my eyelids, and now we can actually get straight into the black eyeshadow that I'm going to use. Hey guys, I just tested the two blacks on the palette, and the Pro HD Revolution black is more blacker, so I'm just going to go with that. So I'm going to tap in using the brush, and what she did, she just tapped it on her eyelid, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with this one and this. tap 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 in. Oh my gosh. This is scary. Ooh, I need to see if she put on her lids, so I'm just gonna quickly watch the video again because I want to see how she spread it. She put it on the lid and then she used like a transition shade. Cool. So she did it like this, if you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna follow that. This is actually crazy. I feel like it's gonna turn out good, but it better, cause okay, so that's done. I think I've done it good. Well, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then come back. Okay, so I currently look like a hot mess, but I know you guys see the vision. So basically she went in with a transition shade. So this is that black eyeshadow done. So from the Revolution HD palette, I'm going to use the color that is next to black. I'm going to get a different brush from my collection. Maybe, I don't know which brush I'm going to use. Let me see which brush she used, because you know I'm a beginner to all of this. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the transition shade and basically put that. Ooh, child. Basically put that here. So wish me luck. Sauce in it. Kind of liking how it's looking, guys. It's not looking too bad, I'm not gonna lie. Actually, no. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I don't even know how it appears on camera, but in a real life, it looked not bad. So I'm gonna do the same to the other eye and then come back. So basically, what I'm gonna do now is that I've done the transition shades. Basically, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna go in with the light color here on the palette, just to go like, just to brighten basically under my eyebrows. To make it look like it's still kind of concealed. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna blend that out. Ooh, cool. And then do the same here. And then go back in with the transition shade just a bit, because we're not trying to lose it. I think this is actually going well. Let's just wait for the highlighter bit. Okay though, I'm seeing the vision. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing. Let me close my eyes. Can you guys see the vision? Can you see it? Can you see it? Not yet. Maybe not yet. Okay, so that's done. All of that is done. So what she does next is that she then gets her neon powder and then activates it with water, and then gets the edge brush and does it like that. But I'm gonna go straight in with the eyeliner, so yeah. Okay, so guys, I've just opened the liner. Look how bright it is. Oh my gosh. Ooh, child. Wait, hold on, you guys can't see that. That's how it looks. If it's gonna focus. Is it gonna focus? Yeah guys, look how bright that is. Oh my god. So that is what I'm going to be using right now. I said I was going to put it at the back of my hand because I feel like it'll be easier if I used the, hold on, yeah, if I use the curved brush, because that's what she did. And like I said again, I'm not good with eyeliner and these stuff there. Okay, so what she did is that she put it here and then she stopped, and then so let me just get it. Okay, and then she did a love heart. Guys, how the hell am I supposed to do this? Hold on, my lips are dry. Okay, so I have the liquid liner here, and I'm just gonna dip in. Can I not? Oh, I can. Okay, I dipped it in, guys. I'm scared. And I'm gonna go and create wait, hold on. I'm scared. Hold on, let me go back to the video. Okay, so she started from the inner and then she stopped like I'm doing. Calm. I got this. So I'm gonna start. Ratted, I flopped already. Hold on, this pen thing is not doing it for me. Let me use the original applicator that they gave me. Guys, I don't think this is comment. Wait, hold on. That's it. Oh, I think we can I can go and perfect that after, man. Ooh, not bad for my first try, because I told you I don't like eyeliner. Okay, so then these are rubbish. Oh my days. Okay, let me get the brush to do the love hearts. So I'm gonna go back in with this brush, and she just basically did like, okay, wait, let me watch. Let me see what she done, because I'm not trying to make any mistakes. So she did this way and then that way. Coolio. Guys, I think I've done it. Okay, so I'm gonna, she goes also back to connect it. Yeah, so that's one eye done. To do the other eye, I finna have to do it off camera, because but basically I feel like I'm gonna go and touch up again, like going with the black again, just to make sure it's actually aligned. So yeah, I'm gonna do that off camera and then come back to you. So guys, that's the eye done. I'm actually proud of myself. It's a bit messy, but for beginner it's actually fine. Like,
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
I'm seeing the vision, you know, I'm seeing it. It's not even done yet, but I'm seeing the vision. So okay, what did she do after? So after, she went in again. Wait, hold on, let me go back. Yeah, so she went in with the brush again, and she went in with the white liner. So I'm gonna try and do that. I'm gonna get another brush to go in with the white liner. So let me open the white liner, and then yeah. Okay, so I am gonna continue with the white. So she then outlines it with the white. Oh, wait, hold on, I feel like there's too much white on this. Okay, let's get it. I messed up, guys, but don't watch that. like is white. Ugh, I knew I should have used another brush. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so basically next what she did was that she went in with the neon powder that she used to tap, but obviously I'm going to be using eyeshadow, so yeah, I'm just gonna tap that in. Okay, so what she did next was she got a flat brush. I think it was flat, to be honest, at the end of the look, so I can use any brush. And then she went in with her neon powder and dabbed it in, but because we don't have that, like I said for the past minutes, we're gonna use Take Me Back to Brazil, and it's the bright pink color at the top. So I'm just gonna go in with that. So I'm gonna get my brush really pink, and she said dab only, so see what I'm gonna do. So then after, what she did is that she went in again with the white liner, but I feel like I'm not going to do this because when she did the dabbing technique, basically this white disappeared. So imagine this white wasn't there, you couldn't see it anymore. That's why she went over it. But because I used the eyeliner and she used the concealer, I don't think I'm going to do that step. I'm going to try it on one eye, and then obviously if it's nice I'm going to do it. So let me see. So guys, I'm gonna go put on my eyelashes and do the rest of my makeup. I'm not gonna film that on camera because I already got a video doing my makeup routine. But I'll list all the products in the description box. I feel like, do you know what, it came out not bad, you know. Once I bang on my eyelashes, put on my earring, do the rest of my makeup, it all come together like a jigsaw puzzle. So I see you guys soon. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm gonna zoom into my face to show you guys how the makeup turned out. Oops, hold on. What my makeup looks like. So I finished it. I noticed that the eyeliner was trying to come off, like it's trying to peel off. The eyeliners are not good quality, but what can I expect? I got it from Amazon. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You can see that this is thicker than this one, which I hate, but nevertheless I still look bomb, period. And obviously I'm wearing Jadene Cosmetics lip gloss in Brett and Skin mixed together. And then yeah, and then let me show you my outfit. So then this is the outfit I'm wearing with it. I'm wearing a corset that I got from Pretty Little Thing, and then I'm just wearing leggings at the bottom because this is a makeup video about, you get, is a makeup so yeah guys, so this is the finished look. It came out pretty alright for a Valentine's Day look. I'm not gonna lie, I think if I lined it perfectly I would wear it outside, maybe if I was going on a date or something, a Valentine's Day look with my man, maybe. But I think for now I'm just gonna stick to the casual eyeshadow looks, or none at all. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this, if you guys like the look or you're gonna pass it. But I think I did a pretty good job recreating the look. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what videos you guys are trying to see. All the product details will be in the description box with the links. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions, don't forget to put it in the comment box, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.